Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Imagine a palette that promises to effortlessly elevate your everyday eye look. Today, we're exploring the Kiko Milano Soft Nude Eyeshadow Palette in the 03 Cool Shades. This compact palette features 10 multi-finish eyeshadows, blending luminous shimmer with soft, matte textures, designed to offer versatile looks for any occasion. Opening the palette, the first thing you notice is its sleek, travel-friendly design. The pans are generous for the palette's size, and the shades are arranged thoughtfully, ranging from soft taupes and cool browns to delicate, frosty highlights. Kiko Milano has formulated these powders to be smooth and blendable, making layering simple and crease-free application possible. While there's no heavy fragrance, the finely milled texture feels luxurious on the skin and offers good pigment payoff without looking patchy. Testing this palette over the past week, I found it incredibly easy to incorporate into my morning routine. The matte shades create a subtle base or crease definition, while the luminous finishes add that perfect hint of glow to the lid. Applying with either fingers or brushes gave consistent results, and I appreciated that the shimmer didn't kick up excess powder, ideal for quick, precise application. The palette performed well throughout the day, with minimal fading after about 8 hours, even without a primer, though a primer does enhance vibrancy and longevity. One of the standout strengths is the blendability of the shadows. Transitioning between shades is seamless, which is a key expectation for eyeshadow palettes in this category. On the flip side, some of the shimmer shades are a touch delicate, requiring a lighter hand to avoid fallout, especially when using a dense brush. In terms of value, considering Kiko Milano's reputation for quality European cosmetics, the palette sits in the mid-range price bracket. You're paying for well-pigmented, multi-finish shadows with a good texture and thoughtful color selection, and I'd say it justifies the cost if you want a versatile, everyday palette. For those on a tighter budget, similar neutral palettes exist from brands like NYX or Essence, but the formula in Kiko Milano's palette feels a step above in terms of smoothness and finish. The build quality of the palette is solid, with a durable compact and a magnetic closure that prevents accidental openings. It feels premium without being bulky, making it perfect for travel or keeping on a vanity. There's no customer support or updates to note for this product, but Kiko Milano is generally recognized for responsive service should any issues arise. Comparing it to other neutral palettes on the market, the multi-finish combination in this palette stands out. Many neutral palettes stick strictly to matte or shimmer, but Kiko blends both, giving more creative freedom for soft day looks or subtle evening glamour. Overall, the Kiko Milano Soft Nude Eyeshadow Palette delivers a strong combination of blendability, pigmentation, and versatility. It's particularly well-suited for anyone seeking a cohesive palette that balances matte and luminous shades without overwhelming the user with too many options. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this palette, drop a comment below with your thoughts. I love hearing how different products work for all of you. You can find the link to purchase the palette in the description box or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.